Next question. The secondary current of a 20 kilovolt down to 7.79 kilovolt autotransformer is 100 amperes. Determine the current that flows through the common winding. It's the same thing as earlier, pero baliktad lang yung formula na gagamitin. We have what? We need to get the common winding as I sub S times what? 1 minus 1 over A. Okay? That's it. And then after that, we'll have here what? If in the secondary, we have 100 amperes, then we'll have here 1 minus 1 over A. 1 minus, this is your A, di ba? Right? Hanggang dun yan. No? So, meaning to say your 1 over A is 7.79 over 20. Okay? What will be your I sub C? So, sir, I think I can answer this one using formula alone. Yes. Okay? Pero it's better that you know the usage and you also know the yung paano makuha yung mga values na yun. Ano pong answer? 61.05 amperes. This will be the correct answer for number 3. I guess it's easy. No? Oo. O sige, you may copy it again. Then let's proceed with number 4. Questions? Madali lang, no? Oh. Yes, analyze. Ooh. First time. First time analyze. No? Okay. Number 4. Ito. It is somehow tricky, but I'll just discuss what I have to discuss. Okay? Number 4. A 60 Hz two-winding transformer is rated 3 kilovolt amperes, 220 down to 110 volts. This transformer is reconnected as a step-up auto-transformer to deliver 330 volts to a resistive load when the input is from 220 volt source. Ayun na nangyari doon. Find the resistance for which rated current will flow in each winding. Can you visualize what happened here? Na-imagine nyo ba? O wala lang? Sir, ikaw na bahala. Ito. Let's say, phase 1. Let's say, in two winding setup, we have what? No, pagpasensya niyo yung drawing ha. Ano yan eh? Hand kasi ang nag-rewind, kaya hindi pantay, no? Oo. Di ba ganun yung gagawin sa transformer nyo? 220 down to what? 110. Oh, ganun. 'Di ba? Tama? Okay. Now, I want you to see it like this, no? Ano yung gusto niya mangyari? Let's say, no? We tried to what? To reconnect. Yan. Sige nga, anong sabi niya? This transformer is to be reconnected to what? A step-up auto transformer to deliver 330 volts. Okay. This one is 220. This is what? 110. Correct? How would you have ano yun? A 330 here. Okay, so ganito siya. Ganito ginawa dyan. For you to have a 330 here, there's no problem with the primary. It's the same thing. I mean, it's the same thing. Ganyan lang siya. Anong voltage nito? 220 pa rin to. Okay po? Pero may sinabi kasi siya that what? The input is from 220 volt source. Correct? Okay. There's no problem. We will not change the primary end. What we need to get is 330 on the secondary end by making it what? An auto transformer. Okay, so this is what happened. This is the core. Okay? And this is the 110 volts. Okay. Sir, paano po yan? For you to obtain a 330, you need to get the initial terminal. Okay po ba yun? And then connect the end of 220 to what? To the end of 110. Okay po? And then after that, the other end of 110 will be reconnected on the other side. Ganun. Okay po? This part is 110 volts. Pero, ano po? If you try to get the potential from here, going here, up to the end, this is what? This is 330. Okay? This is 330 volts. Nagkakaintindihan po. Okay. But for some reason, parang sir, it's really mahirap ma-imagine kung paano nangyari yan. Okay. I will convert the diagram into an auto transformer setup. Okay? In what? In an auto transformer setup, so what did we do to the windings? We made it one. Correct? Ano mangyayari sa auto transformer? Ito ha. Ito ang 220. Ay. This is 220, correct? 220 volts. And then, at sa dulo niyan, anong mangyayari sa dulo niyan? If we try to stretch the other winding, your 110 will be here. Talaga sir? Yes. Alam mo yon, if this part, you make what? You make hila of that one. O, diba? No? What is to make hila? Hila eyes, diba? The process of what? Making hila of that one. Hilahin mo, anong mangyayari dito? 110. Ito na yung unahan tsaka yung dulo. Ganun pala yung nangyari dyan. Can you understand what happened here? Okay, good. O, sige. Yon. So, meaning to say, this one is what? 220 volts. But this one is now what? 330. Kasi, basically, from here, you have what? You have 110 volts. Pero, if you try to get from taas to baba, 330 volts. Tama ba yun? O, anong tinatanong sa atin? Kasi mamaya, puro ko drawing, di ko alam pala yung tinatanong. Find the resistance for which rated current will flow. This rated current will flow. It is about what? In two winding setup to. Okay. I'll explain. When you design a transformer, let's say it's two winding. Ano kasi yun eh? The conductors you used there was designed depends on the ampacity, di ba? Based on your load, correct? Let's say you have a load, makukuha mo yung rated current, no? So pipili ka ng conductor. When you choose a conductor, yun na yun. So meron siyang rated current from that one. Kailangan when you convert it to an auto transformer, the rated current pa din will continue to be delivered. Kailangan hindi siya umangat or bumaba. Okay ba yon? Kailangan the same pa rin. Yan. So ngayon, ano mangyayari dito? This is what? Anong magiging setup dito? We need to get here. Ano to? the secondary current um in two winding setup. Let's say it's IS sub 1. Okay po? In IS sub 1 will give you a value of what? 3 kVA over what's the voltage there? 110 volts. What is now the IS1? Sige, pahingi. Ha? 27.87? Oh, okay. 27.27 amperes. 'Di ba? What's this one? The rated current in the secondary. That should be what? The same secondary current that will flow through your auto transformer setup. Nagkaintindihan po. And from there, we'll get the resistance, which is what? What's the resistance here? The voltage of 330 volts all over the current of what? 27.27 amperes. What's R? Ha? 12.1 ohms. Okay? This will be the value of resistance for the two for that value of resistance in which rated current will flow in each winding. Okay po? Okay. Question so far with that one. Bakit ang lungkot nyo? No? Oh. Lungkot nilang dalawa dun, oh. Nakataas pa yung paa, parang nagne-Netflix, eh, no? Parang, di ba yung mga ganon, oh. Mahirap niyan, when I upload the video, mamaya gawin nyo kung times 1.5. Times 2. Ha? Ah, ano tawag doon? Ako lang. Sinabi ko na yan before. Naku. Electrical machines. Siskin. Oo. Bakit? Kalimutan mo ulit, no? Sulat mo. Oo. Oo. Oh, 'di ba? Pinasulat pa doon sa Oo. Oo. Okay, so that's all for the